Welcome to today's training on how to create your own digital product. I'm going to take you from using ChatGPT, and then we're going to use Canva and Stan. I'm going to show you how to put it all together. This is just an introduction training. I'm going to have a master class coming up in the future on more in depth on this, but I just want to give you a quick sneak peek of how you can just create your own digital product based on the skills you already know. A lot of people think, well, I don't know. Everybody knows something. So I'm just going to show you how to put it together and put it on in your stand store and start selling it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, you want to go into ChatGPT and you want to type in, let's say whatever your book is. You may want a book on how, hello, I want to create a ebook on the top 5 content creator creative prompts to get more sales and leads for my digital marketing and this, like I said, this course can be on anything. I'm just doing this on the fly. Get my spelling right. Digital hello, I want to create an ebook on the top 5 content creator prompts to get me more sales and leads for my digital marketing AI, for my digital marketing business. So we're going to just start with that. So the first prompt you want to enter is, what do you want to create? What digital product do you want to create? Do you want to create a health ebook? You want to create whatever you're into, whatever you think you got some expertise in or knowledge, or something that you're real passionate about. So that's what you want to start with. And then I'm going to just start with that. And let's see what, and one thing you want to do too, guys, you want to train your ChatGPT. That's going to be another course. I'm not going to get too deep in that, but you always want to start off training it, but we'll get into that later. I'm just giving you the brief overview. So yeah, before we jump in, what's your name? So it's just going to ask you questions. My name is Frazier Hunter Jr. And we're going to walk through this quite quick. Let's see, creating an ebook with top content prompts to get more sales and leads. Let's make an ebook memorable. Okay, what are you trying to use the ebook for? So it's asking you, what are you using it for? A paid product, a lead magnet, or something else? I'm going to say a paid product because you eventually want to lead them into so you just answer the questions. That means we need a stack value, so it feels worth more, way more. Position it as a short weapon. Let's dial in so you can write persuasive. Okay, is there a particular copywriting style? So you can have it write in a particular style. Somebody you know that like Russell Brunson, a famous person. Or I just say tone with a Relax vibe. I'm going to go with that. So right now we're just giving it, the details we want it to be in a particular style. Relaxed vibe. That means conversational, down to earth. Yep. Content knows. Okay, what you like to include statistics in the ebook? Yes. Include statistics and images. Just following the prompt, guys. This is the power of ID. It kind of walks you through the whole process instead of you having to think of everything. That's the power of AI. It shows you, walks you through the process. Okay, so what else is it? Nice, great. Stats, credible visual, make it more engaging. Okay. Are there any key points or benefits? For example, boosting engagement, growing followers, content, cutting content, cutting content. So yes, we definitely want to cut content. That's what we're doing now, cutting content creation, time, and I'm going to just say boosting, growing followers. Awesome. Cutting content, growing followers. What tone should it aim to be? So relaxed or bold? Relaxed and bold, especially around call to action. Get started now. Okay. Who's the ideal reader? Small business owner, combination of all to help get more. Like I said, I'm just doing this on the fly, guys. So I'm spelling combination of all to cut content creation in half and get sales faster. What do you want your audience to do after they read? Book a call. Like I say, I would take my time when I'm doing this. I'm just walking through this on the fly just to give you a quick, the indie brand guidelines for us. No. Just put no. But of course, you will put some thought in this. So let's go here. Let's see what is hook. You're not lazy. Quick stats. Okay. Pulling back the curve. Call to action. Yes. Yes. Turn this into a visual images. And then I'm just gonna, after this, but you get the point. Like I said, AI is doing all the work. You're just gonna enter, once the outline is finished, you're gonna just enter you're just gonna edit it and enter your real life details. Quick timeline, Canva. So I just told him, give me the outline of the book. So it's writing the framework, and then you would just edit it and add your information. I'm just gonna copy and paste it for now, but you get the point. So here's your outline. Of course, you would edit it once you get the outline. Just copy, paste this in Word. So as you can see, I got it copied on my next string. So now you're going to just go to Canva. We're going to do a custom size. Let me start in the beginning. So we're going to just go here to the left. Move that over some. We're going to go over here to the left on create. Custom size, 6x9 is the normal. And then we're going to just add our information. Copy and paste. And showing you all I'm doing is copying and pasting. Copy. And then you will add your Control V, subtitle. Then just copy and paste. Command V. You would just edit this. So I'm not going to go through. Then you just add a background, upload. You get the point. So you edit your ebook. Then you're going to get, after you finish editing, you're going to hit save, share, download, PDF standard. Okay. To give you an example of an ebook that's finished, you can see this is my digital marketing starter guide I created. And you can As you can just give me an example, you can just add your images and stuff to make yours look, nice and neat. Add your links in there. If you want a copy of this, you can just click the link below and get more information on digital marketing. You can download my starter guide, and it'll just give you more information about digital marketing. And you can get more ideas of how you can use this as a reference to put your ebook together, just to get a visual look. So so I just wanted to give you that example. Go ahead and download your copy. It's free. And then you'll have a guide. And if you want to know more in depth about digital marketing, you can just go through here and click the link in this guide. All right. So I'm going to do another training just on Canva because it can take a lot of time. But you get the picture. Once you got your ebook created, then you're going to go to your stand store. You go to your stand store, my store, and then you're going to go add product. Now, since this is now if you just want to give away the PDF to get leads, you will select this one right here, collect email leads and applications. But if you want to sell a product, you just go digital product. You'll choose an image. Just choosing a one they got right here. Use this image. Then your whatever it is, get my AI prompts. You'll edit that. Get it now. Then you'll go to options. No, you don't need options. Checkout page. You'll put your price in there, what your price it is. And you'll edit this email with your information there. And then you'll say, now you want to upload the file. You can have it go to a link you want it to go to, or you just upload your PDF. I'm going to just put that one in there. And then you'll hit publish. I'm not going to publish it, but there's your digital product right there. Of course, you want to edit your information, but that's how easy it is to set up, create a digital product, and to list it in your stand store and start selling it. And, of course, if I had more time, I would go through and you want to take your time and enter the correct information, your graphics. But this video was just a quick intro on how to create your own digital product using AI, ChatGPT, Canva, and Stand Store. So I'll see you on the next video.